Mortgage rates went up this week. Yes, you are hearing that correctly. The Federal Reserve cut the short-term lending rate. So like your credit cards, your home equity line of credits, those things went down, but mortgage rates went up. Now, I've been telling people that there was a very, very good chance this is going to happen. All my clients who locked in before this, I know that you're happy. Now, overall, rates are still at the lows that we've been at in 12 months. So it's not bad at all. But you're asking yourself, how did the Federal Reserve cut rates and how did mortgage rates go up? So if you want to Google something, this is a sell the news phenomenon. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So for the last month and a half, rates have been going down. Over the last month and a half, the federal funds rate has not changed because the Federal Reserve does not control mortgage rates. Now, they influence them based upon how many rate cuts they say are going to happen. They influence them based upon how healthy they say the economy is or isn't. And so what happened on Wednesday when the Federal Reserve cut rates, initially mortgage-backed securities started to price better, which means rates started to go down because the dot plot, so there's 19 people who make up the vote on this dot plot. And they don't really vote. They say, how many rate cuts are we going to have this year? So 10 people in the Federal Reserve said we're going to have 2 more rate cuts. 9 people said we're going to have 1 more rate cut. So, I mean, pretty like right in the middle of everything that could happen. But what ended up happening afterwards is Jerome Powell spoke and he was like, yeah, I mean, I don't know if it was up to me right now, I'd only have 1 more rate cut. And you know, I know this has been politicized. It shouldn't be. The Federal Reserve should be independent. But, you know, that's not the government we live in these days. And so what happened is when Powell said that, the market's like, oh man, like maybe rates aren't going to go down as much. And then you saw rates go up. Again, we're still sitting at the best levels that we've seen in 12 months. It's a fantastic time. A lot of people are refinancing right now. We got buyers that are getting off the fence. It's a good thing overall. And I happen to agree with Jerome Powell because the single worst thing that could happen is we cut rates too much, the economy slows down still, and then prices go up. That phenomenon is called stagflation. It happened in the late 70s into the early 80s, and it was terrible. It is better to have the economy slow with rates being a little bit high and the economy not getting out of control from an inflation standpoint because the decisions the Fed made earlier, the last 5 years, caused inflation to run rampant. And so, you know, everybody's doing the best they can, including myself. And as always, if you need something, I'm here to help you. I'm Zalmanoff. Peace out.